We're very sad and shocked at the passing away of Isilo, King Goodwill Zwelithini.
Ungqongqoshe wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu uDokotela Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma uthi Isilo esikhotheme besingana nazi ukuzwakalisa umbono waso kepha ngesizotha.
We should remember him as a person who was very forthright, who spoke his mind, but who was also respectful, because when you met him, he didn't, at least in my interactions with him, he was always returning your respect. But also as a king who brought back the culture, the Zulu culture, some of which was very useful in terms of building the nation.
Phezu kwalokho Isilo besikhathalela abantu jikelele nabangakhonzi ngaphansi kwaso.
He wasn't just engaged in things for the Zulu nation. He was also engaged in issues of the nation. For instance, he was very much engaged in the fight against HIV, which was a global fight, not just a South African fight. And he really was very keen on health issues. I remember one time we at a different interaction where he was talking about cleanliness.
Isilo samabandla besibambe iqhaza lemqoka nesekuxhumaniseni amakhosi kanye nohulumeni emzamweni yokuletha intuthuko ezindaweni zasemakhaya.